As the operator starts assembly, the AI acknowledges that a new cycle has started and shows the current and next steps of the process. An optional multimedia projector points out exactly how to perform the steps using arrows, pictures, and animations. Here, the operator is supposed to tighten both the top and bottom screws before putting the lid on. However, he forgets the bottom screw and proceeds to pick up the lid. The AI triggers an alert on the computer display, and the light tower also turns red. The operator realizes the error and starts tightening the bottom screw. The AI acknowledges the fix by turning off the alert. Note how the operator is able to continue performing the activity and doesn't need to directly interact with the system, which would slow him down and require him to change his behavior. The operator will now complete the rest of the steps in the cycle. When the AI detects the final step of the assembly, it will close the cycle, optionally storing a video recording and timing analytics for the cycle, as well as the serial number of the unit just assembled. All of this data will be uploaded to our web portal at the scheduled time and is searchable in a variety of ways. Please check out our analytics and trace demo to learn about our production dashboards, and our Kaizen Copilot demo to learn how we use generative AI to optimize and set up these processes in the first place.